Alright guys, as you can see the difference, we power wash the sidewalk. This is undone right there to done. So we can see the whole sidewalk all the way down here. I even cleaned off the front. You see right there?
Don't show them they are license plate.
No, I'm not. You see right there? So there to there, look. There to there. So we did all of this. All the way up to the front. Look like brand new money. So, this is service a small job like this. If you want the walkway, 1, 2, 3, and the steps, you get that for $50. And also, this is a smaller townhouse, so it's about 3 feet wide. So I wash the front, do the sidewalk and the walkway all for $50. All right, holler back, hit the link in the description, or leave me a message. Peace.